Hey my lovelies, first of all I would just like to say thank you for watching this video, thank you for subscribing, and obviously thank you for pressing that little notification bell or whatever. So this is like very new to me, as you guys can tell. Like even just filming this, obviously I look a bit comfortable or whatever because I'm around my family, but it was very nerve-wracking for me, so excuse my personality and lack of YouTube editing skills. I've done this all by myself. But let's get straight into this video. Okay, so I just want to give a big shout out to MLG Hair for the Big Chop service. I'm not sure if their service is actually available on their booking site, but I will link their information, their Instagram and their booking site and stuff down below, so you guys can speak to them directly and ask them about their services. So why did I cut my hair off? So I decided to cut my hair off because, as you can see, my hair was extremely damaged. Like, it was good. It could get into like a ponytail and it could do a few styles, but it's just not the one. Like, it started to just break off ridiculously. It was growing and then it was stopping to grow. So it stopped growing, sorry. So I was just like, nah. So yeah, so from that point of my hair just not growing, I got to a point where I literally felt like I'm just going to start using my products in my hair to see how that works. So I'm using my products, and it started to grow. And I decided to do the transition stage, which really worked for me. My hair grew longer than I've actually ever had it. No, please excuse my cousin. No. The two products that I was using like religiously was the Simple Moisturising Serum and the Simple Butter Blend. I will do another video on like my wash day routine and how I used it to make my hair grow for y'all, like if y'all want that. No, this is actually not a joke. Look at my head. No. No, can my eyes get any bigger? Okay, hey. No, this is mental. Guys, if you're like me and you suffer from eczema and dry skin, you probably have like the smallest amount of psoriasis in your scalp. I'm telling you, if you are suffering from dry scalp and you are really tackling like trying to get it back to normal or just trying to have it manageable, again, I'd recommend another reason to shave your hair off so that you can just start treating your scalp from your scalp and not just applying it to your hair and thinking that it's just going to seep down into your scalp. Honestly, the new hair that I have now is just beautiful. Guys, I'm bald. I am bald. It's not even a joke. No, I can feel the wind on my scalp. I can feel the wind on my scalp. I can feel the wind on my scalp. Bald head. Bald head. I felt like I was giving you like Sade vibes back in the day. Do you know what I mean? Like Sinead. What's her name? Sinead. I can't remember her name, man. But trust me, like some old school 90s thumb vibes. I look like a thumb. No, I look like a thumb. Look at my cheeks. I look like a thumb. But I love it. I love it. Ladies, if you're feeling like you just want something new, like you want to feel in complete control of something, and you don't care about what society thinks about beauty, shave off your locks because it will grow back. And if you're having issues with it growing back, click the link in the description box below because I got the products. No. What was she brushing? I said brush it. I brush it, brush it, brush it. What was she brushing? As you can see, guys, I could see the dry parts of my scalp. So, like, it was like, bruh, sort it out. I got it. But I have a treatment remedy in my treatment services, guys. So if you're looking for a treatment service, I got you. And finally, after listening to my voice for the last 5 to 7 minutes, as you can see, I gained a new amount of confidence overnight. Like, I was a brand new person. I was back as far as I was concerned. And if you feel like you want to feel like that again, I'm telling you, shave your hair off. Shave your hair off. Shave your hair off. And if you're having issues with growing your hair back, I have the products for you. So do not even stress too much. Just click the link in the description box below. Subscribe, like, and comment on what content you would like to see next. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys.